Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect your bank account to Webull. Open the Webull app and sign in, then tap Transfer and choose Bank Transfer. Enter routing and account numbers carefully, confirm small verification deposits if prompted, and complete any identity verification steps. Wait for confirmation messages and test a small transfer to ensure funds move successfully and your accounts are linked securely. Start by opening transfers in the Webull app and choosing Add Bank Account, then type in your bank routing number and account number exactly as shown on statements. If offered, use instant verification by logging into your bank securely. Otherwise, accept micro deposit verification and confirm amounts. Complete identity checks if requested, review limits and expected timing, and save the bank as your primary funding source for easier deposits and withdrawals later. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation. A book that can change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs well with learning to move and manage your funds wisely. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you want to laugh, imagine your account thanking you for finally being organized. Now let's get back to the video. Protect your link by enabling strong passwords and two-factor authentication on both Webull and your bank, and use biometric login where possible. Always confirm micro-deposit amounts before authorizing larger transfers to avoid mistakes, and check transfer limits so you know timing and fees. Avoid public Wi-Fi when handling sensitive information and log out after setup. These simple habits reduce risk and keep your funds safer during and after the connection process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.